All right, we should be ready to rock and roll. Let's see what we got here for some signals. A couple shorts, no good there. Good there. Get another signal here in about 30 seconds to get the link sent out in the meantime. All right, new signal here. Go sell right there. Stop. I need to move my just a touch. There we go. Oof. All right, 300 bucks on that one. L. Whoopsie. No and no. Getting a lot more neutral signals here. We'll probably work on that. Maybe I want to force the ChatGPT to give me a long or a short, but not bad here. A couple good trades, and then we ran into this bad boy that kind of tricked us out. So let's see if we can get some of that back here. Okay. Good morning to everyone. All right. Another sell signal. We'll take that. The stop. See if we can get price to run here. I kind of have a feeling price wants to push up here, but let's see if we can get price to hold for just for a second and pull back for us. Not the best of entries, but we'll have to deal with it. There we go. Nice. Awesome. All right, got all that back and then a little bit. Well, $300 trade there. Okay, good call there. Ah, shit. New signal here. I want to chase it, but I can't. I want to chase it, but I cannot. Let me do this really quick. Good morning. No, good morning. One Eye, what's good? Paul, happy to have you. Okay. New signal here in about 10 seconds. Got our dashboard moderately updated, kind of more to my liking here. Let me make sure you guys can see the signal, at least the newest ones are good. Let's see here. Go sell signal there. Okay, we waited a little bit, and so that gave us a little bit of room there to kind of see what price is up to here. Okay, that one got hit. We're up 47 bucks, so that was about $6 trade. Ah, that was a good signal too. We just didn't give enough room. All right. Okay, no problem there. Good stuff. Good. A lot more smooth movement this morning, so that's good. Let's see. I need to go. Okay. Wow, price really reversed there. That's interesting. Okay, new signal here. Still says short. See if we can catch something here. Nice. Wow, good. Oof, really good trade here. Awesome. Awesome trade there. About 450 on that one. Nice. Good. Good there, bad there. Got a long signal here, which is fascinating. I'll take it. I can't believe it's signaling this. I'll take it. Let's just see what happens with it. Small victory there, I think. Oh man, hell of a signal. Holy cow. Okay, so I one of the things that I did last night or after we got done live, 1 second here to take. One of the things that I did is I went and updated or had my team kind of update the script on just a few things that I felt would help with dealing with choppiness, kind of like we're seeing right now. And um, this was one of them. So just kind of analyzing some different data and hoping, kind of the idea is, and we're at the VWAP or at VWAP, so we'll see kind of how this plays out. But let's go sell right here. ChatGPT likes a short. I'll trust it again. Let's see. Trusted it last time. This one might get us burnt though. I was gonna say move it up a little bit, but okay, we're up 305. Nope, nope, nope. Trusting the signals, one of the things that I had to do was update it so that we read a little, what in the world happened here? Read a little bit different data than we were before. It wasn't a ton, but that one of those updates I think is really going to pay off for us. And so we'll have to test that today, which I'm excited for. Consumer sentiment's really low. Okay. All right. What are markets up to today? Green across the board. That's good. All right. Why DocuSign's up 13, 14%? Can't tell you. Don't know. Okay. Let's see here. Technically, this candle's a really good call. So I wanted to try and improve the signal so that we could trade some of this bunching a little better. Now, like in theory, we would just not take some of these trades. We'd wait, we'd sit it out, and we'd allow for a price to kind of figure out where it wants to be, and then go to the next one, or go to wait for the next signal. But you don't know you're in chop until you're in chop and you've been chopped out. And so I wanted to make sure that we at least had a fighting chance with some of these signals that might come through while price is choppy. So we'd still be able to make money. Like these are still pretty big moves. Like a long on this candle makes sense. A long here makes sense. A short here makes sense. A short here makes sense. And then it's saying neutral or short for this one. Okay, let's see if we can wait for price to maybe do something. Go sell right there. Let's see if that helps us at all. It might not. But the idea is that even though we're in chop, we should be able to take some decent trades here and catch some of these moves. Let's see if this can be one of those. Nope. All right, we're back to basically even here. All right, no problem. So no and nope, not yet. Maybe. Let's see. Right, we're just at VWAP. All right, so let's see if we can get away from VWAP here and do something different for today. But yes, the goal is to get as many of these signals to be as accurate as possible, regardless of where price is, where VWAP is, or where anything is. That's the goal. So again, we're going to need price to break up here and go, or break down here and go. This gap will get filled. I'm not exactly sure how that gap even occurred, but that gap will get filled for sure. So we'll wait and see for that. do this. Have you been trading big BG the same futures this whole week? Paul, how do you mean? You, no doubt. Oh, what happened? Message pin. Did I pin the right message? Yeah. There it is. Yes, 1i. You are correct, my friend. Good morning, McBee. What's going on, my friend? What is going on? All right. Try to be a little more responsible here. Let's see. So we got a sell signal there, which actually was pretty good. So that's good. You, my friend, are not good. It's pretty good. We haven't gotten this one yet. So we'll wait. Yes, you're correct. And you were correct too. All right, we got price maybe making a new move here. Again, we want to see price get below this wick here. And if we do that, then we've got a trade that we can take. Trading NAS this whole week. Yes, I only trade NQ, Paul. I only trade NQ. MNQ as well, but I only trade NQ. Only trade the NASDAQ. Okay. Interested in seeing kind of what, here we go. Okay, nice little move here. We've got 10 seconds till our next signal. Part of me thinks price is going to pull back here, and then the other part of me thinks price is going to keep doing like that. So let's see what we have here. Obviously, a sell signal is coming through. Let's see if we can get price to, there we go. Wow, made some money there, not a lot. That's not encouraging. All right. So price makes a new low and immediately reverses off of it, which is no fun because now that means we just have more chop to deal with potentially as price is near VWAP. So a couple bucks there, but nothing special. That move was nice. Move was 12 points down for first before moving 12, 13 points up. Let's see. Still going to mark this one as a good one only because it gave us that 13 points straight away, which is great. I'd rather have that than the other. You're welcome, my friend. Let's see. All right. Remember, even numbers, price loves. 19,500 has turned into a strong resistance. It's been very attractive for price, but it hit it here and it ran away. So that's a bad signal. Both of you guys are. I'll measure it out just to make sure, but let's see here. 17, 4, and then 10. Yeah, bad signal. All right. All right. So again, need to see price clear above kind of this level right there, that 500 level. If we get that, we've got a real chance. Got ourselves a real chance. Okay, good. Let's see if GPT likes a long here. 3, 2, 1. I got a blank and a short. Wow. Okay, I'll take it. I don't love it, but I'll take it. Wow. It is really nailing these. The update that I made must have been pretty solid for this. 60 bucks there. Not that it was the best trade, and I personally would have liked a long. That's what I was kind of hoping to see, but I mean, that was fantastic. That was fantastic. Let's see here. How many points was that? It gave us 12 points before rolling up 13. We'll have to take that. Always call it as a good signal. All right, so we're above the 19,500 level. So we've got that. New signal here coming. My average confidence is being 69 is pretty low. I don't love that it's low. It's usually around 70, but that's okay. But I need to get these neutrals out of there. That'll probably help it. Okay, new signal here. I've got myself a neutral again. All right, so we'll wait. Getting a lot of neutrals. Let me see. Let's talk to the team here. Okay. See if price fighting back into that range. So kind of up here, and then we'll leave it down here for now. I'm not sure exactly what price wants to do, so we'll just let it hang out here. Let's see. All right, so bottom right there. Okay. We know VWAP obviously is right here. Everybody can see that. Huh. Okay. New signal time coming up. Flat and short. I'll take a sell there. Let's see if we can get price to run for us a little bit and catch some of this move here. If it goes green, then I'll be stopped out. Nice. Okay, we're up at 150 for today. Hmm. Okay. New signal here in 3 seconds. Short. Sell right there with the stop. Man, got a whole lot of nothing going on, about 10 bucks there. Want to see price extend, and it might. Yeah, there it goes. It might. I just, at the open of the candle, I didn't give it enough space. And the reason I didn't was I wasn't sure if this thing wanted to do something um, like this, where price runs down and then it jumps back up. I didn't want to see that happen, which is kind of doing right now. I just didn't want it to be earlier on. So I gave it some room. Let's see. Okay. Short again. Low confidence though. We'll probably skip this one for now. Maybe not. Let's see. Go sell right there. Let's see if we can get some value here. Nice. We're chunking away at 229. Okay. I don't know if that's a good signal, but price definitely did move in our favor a little bit. All right. So we are at view. We gotta keep that in mind. We got 11 points out of that with dealing with 11 points. So no, they weren't great signals, but they weren't terrible either. I would love to see price get out of this right here. Would love that. Okay. Short again. Solid signal so far. Come on, price. I want you to, we'll call it a come. I want you to get away from VWAP here. So good trade here. Nice move, but man, it'd be cool to really get price to do something. Back, we'll just be back at that 500 level again. Need price to move about 30 points more down. Let's see if we can get a short here out of this. Short and short. Yep, gave back that profit. Okay. Yeah, tough one here. Trading inside the candle. Hmm. Man, I would really like to see price extend away from all this. But we'll wait. Okay. See if this can continue to run. We know that 500 level is strong, but this is our high up here. I'll take a long off of this potentially if it holds. So let's see. Let's go long right there with the stop. Oops. Trailing it gently here. Okay. About 90 bucks there. Small victory. You're good, you're bad. Let's see. 7 seconds. I don't love the way this started out. Let's see if it can reverse on us. Dang. Back down 38 bucks. Okay. We tried it. No good so far. Nice and rangy here. Man, price is really chopping. I think we're handling the chop a little bit better today, I would say. More than we did yesterday. It's definitely an improvement. So that's good. A good start. I got to get some of these neutrals out of here just to make sure ChatGPT gives an actual signal. But I think we're handling the chop better today than we did yesterday. Let's see. Paul or Paris, it could. It could, Paris. I don't know. We're gonna find out. It could. It's fighting. It doesn't want to go lower than that 19,450, I think, or really the low is over here at whatever this one is, 436. So it's within range. You're not wrong. Are you? You're not. You have a chance to be right, I guess. We'll find out if you are. Don't know. We know this gap will get filled at some point. We know that. Uh, Man, I just can't believe we're sitting at view app like this. Like this is so annoying. This sucks. Because that view app, like anything is possible. Anything is possible. So we just gotta wait for price to give us something first. Let's see here. Neutral and short. You know what? I'll take a sell right there. Small victory again. Just trying to plot that. I tried to drop that in there just to kind of sneak it in. Probably should have gone short a little bit sooner on that one. Not a terrible signal, but we bounced right here, 19.4. So bad signal, I guess, because price is sky. Wow. I mean, this 19,467 level is crazy. Look at that. We had a couple piercings, but for the most part, bounce, almost a bounce, 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 almost bounce, bounce, like perfect. This is wild. This is like unreal chop. Markets are being held up though, that's for sure. Okay. 37 is a short. I'll wait on it. Okay. Both 38 say short. I'd like to go long on here, but I'll wait. Kind of thought a long would make a lot of sense there. Okay. Finally, we got some movement. Good. We'll jump over here. 3, 2, 1. I'm assuming a long. Let's see what we get. Let's see if that neutral means long. Price making a nice little escape here. Good. Keep going, baby. Ooh, we almost jumped into the next candle here. We almost, so you're bad. How do I have two neutral signals for, this is crazy, guys, come on. Good trade there at 938, okay, 939. All right. Good night. That's fine. Okay, we're at 148 here. That's fine. I'm assuming these neutrals mean a change in the actual direction, but it's not ready to give it a long yet, which is interesting. Which is very, very interesting. Because it doesn't help me at all. It doesn't help us. Interesting. Let's see what we got here. New signal, short. That's aggressive as hell. Okay, it better be right. Okay, you were. Nice. Nice. This is back up 400 bucks for today. Good work. Good work there. Another short. See if price wants to rampage for us again. Okay, good. Okay, we didn't make too much on that. Would have liked to have seen that go a little faster, a little further, but okay. See another short here. I'm gonna want maybe I should take this one. Let's see. We'll take it, and I'll be quick with it. I won't be too. Yeah. Oh, what? Whoa. What's going on here? Did I? What was that? Why is that happening? I'm at 500 bucks for today. I don't know what that was, but I'm not a fan of it. I'm not sure. I'm back to like limit order. I'm not sure what that was. Why my trade hit my stop, it stayed open. I don't know what that was, but Okay, I assume I get a neutral, which would mean long. Let's see. Yep. Go buy one right there. We'll stop and let's see if we can get price to move a little further for us. That'll do it. Oh, it should have. Okay, good. What? What is going on? What is happening here? All right, 588. Am I hitting limit order? Like, am I missing something? Am I hitting limit order or something? Um, Paris, yeah, I don't know, my friend. We will see where price eventually ends up. So far, we're kind of like where we are, but let's see. Nice. Some price action looks clean. See if we can get to 19,600. That kind of feels like the target. Let's see. There's a signal now. Tight stop, per usual. Get back a little bit there. We're up 373 for today. All right, we need about $650 to pass this eval here today. So that is what my focus is here. And this one might turn into a nice little long trade. We just didn't give it enough room, which is fine. Looks like we ate up. That kind of stinks. So we ended up taking most of the drawdown that this candle was going to give us, and then it ended up going green, and not by a ton, but it did. And so that stinks because we took the most amount of punishment we could have. Long here. Good. Okay. Small victory there. I went opposite of the signal. Whoops. Okay. How are you giving me a short? That's weird. That's really weird. I thought we were going to get along there. Okay, I got a neutral here and a sell. I'll take a sell right there. So stop. Make sure I hit my stop there. And let's just see what happens with this. There we go. Okay, another small victory there. We're up 490 again. Okay, wow. All right. Price gives me another short. Let's go sell right there. Stop. Oh man, this one's gonna be really tough. I probably should have gotten in a little higher. That'd have been cool. Right above candle highs where my stop is. Man, I don't know. This one's fast. I want to drop it, but I just can't. There it is. Dude, what is going on here? 530. Bad signals, but not bad trades, though. That worked out. So for some reason, my trades are getting hit, and then I'm opening new trades, and I can't figure out what's going on with that. Am I hitting limit or something? I can't figure out what's going on with that. Okay. Got a neutral, probably means long. We'll wait. We'll sit this one out. Be patient. All right, so we've got ourselves kind of a new range. It's pretty small, so we'll break out of it pretty soon. But kind of in here and then kind of like here is all I'm looking at. So this is 24 points. That's nothing. We'll chill with that. We will chill with that. Happy to have everybody in the chat watching along. Hopefully trading along. Maybe not trading perfectly along, but let me know how you guys are doing today. Today is a much better morning than yesterday was, that's for sure. What is that? 18. All right. Flat. To me, this means long. Let's go buy right there. Maybe I misread that. Take a small loss if we do have one. Yep. Okay, we're at 437. Give away about 30 bucks there. Man, I thought we were going to get a breakout there. Okay, we'll wait for price to make a move out of this range and then we'll take a trade. Huh. Okay, short. That's just going to be a no for me. Oh wow, really? Every once in a while, so I made some updates and I'm just not as used to it as I usually am, but holy shit, what a great call. Wow, even if that doesn't work out all the way. Wow. So, the hell of a signal. Okay, back up to 478. Pretty solid. Damn, that was a good signal. Wow. Okay, short signal. Let's see if we can get this one to roll back just for a little bit. There we go. Okay, nice trade there. Man, we could have had a little more on that one. We're up 560. Oh, fuck. We could have had a lot more on that one. Damn, that'd have been sick. All right, well, we didn't catch it. It's fine. All right. Let's see. So if price is still inside the zone, but we're got some down trending here. Let's see if we can get price to maybe break out of this 554 level and run back. Or maybe if we're just gonna like run down here, settle for a second, and then maybe run back up. Let's find out. Yeah, I had a feeling. Oh, shit. Are you kidding? Thank you. Nice. We're up 719 on this account. We need about 300 bucks more. Okay, good stuff there. Why would you go long? The fuck? That fill was horrendous there. Okay, we got taken out. 750 for today. Okay. Yeah. Short here. I don't know if I trust this one. I want to. All right, I'll take a sell right there. It's a bad idea, I think. Or maybe not. Yeah, bad idea. Up 681. Gave back about 60 bucks there. Yeah. This thing does a lot better job predicting price, I think. It misses some and the confidence scores are a little low, but it does a much better job predicting what's about to happen than the previous version, which is interesting. It's just different because I haven't seen this yet. It's my first time using this updated version. It's tricky. Okay, so we'll definitely wait for price to get out of this range here. We'll hang out. We should have, I mean, we should just see price fly up, like continue this upward move. I know markets are up decently, but oh, my 1 year is above 4 again. You're a punk. Okay. It's kind of what I was assuming here. Good. Can it hold above our 580 level? Excuse me, what the fuck that was. How is this even possible that you could have that much movement, dog? How is that possible that you would move that much? We're up just shy of 700 bucks here, 691. Okay. I guess we just have to give it some of these candles a little more room at the beginning to work because that one would have paid off for us big time. Okay, another 20 seconds here. Yo, Creedmoor. Pauline, what's good? Luke Wise. This is my own custom built. Oh man, I just want to buy. There we go. I just want to be a part of that trade. Holy cow. We're up 600. Good. Boom. All right, we're out. Good trade there. All right, so we passed this eval here. Let's see. That's at 10 o'clock even. Trade. Okay, cool. So past this Topstep eval, which is nice. Just using ChatGPT signals and nothing else. So that's good. Great work there. Let's look at today's results so far. Let me slide this over. I cannot see that. All right. Not the most spectacular of days, I would say. It's all right. Took us about an hour to do this. 1,200 bucks. Biggest win was 465. Biggest loss was 310. So solid there. Only had 9 losses on damn near 40 trades, so pretty good. Average trade being about 20 seconds. Nice. Yeah, pretty solid. Good stuff here. Let's put it in the chat here, and we will keep it rolling. Let's see, recent. Passes Topstep eval today. All right, then we get back to work. Give me this. I get a lot of DMs. I get a lot. If I miss it, it's not because I'm not caring about you, because I get a lot. All right, let's go here. We'll work on this account. We got to get it working here. All right, GPT likes to short. Let's go sell right there. Stop. I don't love this signal, but I'll let it be. Yeah. Let's see. You get above my entry, then it's whatever. Or you get above my stop, then it is what it is. Slide. Oof. Oh. Shit. Do that again. So we had a chance to make a little more money on that one. We made $5, which is funny. But we had a chance to make more on that. You're passing so many accounts. When do you trade them? Oh, McBee, I trade them. Hold on. Let me 1 second here, my friend. What we got here? So maybe I'll answer your question. I'm not sure what you're asking though exactly. Like, when do I trade the evals? When do I trade the funded accounts? Help me understand. Nice. Boom. All right. Good. Good little start to that account. Well, we're going to start, McBee. Good question, my friend. We're going to start. So I like to stack them up and just have them. But when we're testing these new strategies, it's like, let's see, we have here long. Give me that right there. All right, gee, I want you to move away from the entry. Thank you. Thank you. What are we doing? How is this even? All right. All right. So maybe as we test these different things, I don't like to dump a ton of money into them just yet. I want to make sure that we are patient. And so what I mean by that is, if I have an eval, if I buy an eval, great. And we pass it, fantastic. That gives us some validation that the thing does work. We want to consistently pass these Topstep evals, Apex evals, whatever, my funded futures, take profit, pick your favorite. I want to pass them, but I don't want to invest more money into these strategies until I know that they work, and they work like without a shadow of a doubt kind of thing. I don't trust this signal, but we'll take it anyway. Oh my gosh. Up 172. That was a fantastic signal. These signals are, if I get the neutrals out of there, I think we're going to have some of the best signals that we've had so far. The reason that I didn't make very much money on this trade is I didn't give enough space, but price, you guys saw price go fly up, down. And so there's just sometimes with this, and price is just moving stupid. Sometimes with this, you just got to be patient. So high up there, low down here. I would call that the low. Let's see. But maybe to answer your question in full, I don't believe in like investing a ton of money into different strategies and different accounts. That was gonna be tough. We're up 103 right now. Did I get this wrong? Let's try that again. If I get burnt on the same trade, that'd be embarrassing. I got burnt on the same trade. That's embarrassing. We're up $4. Damn, I really thought I was gonna be right there. That was arrogance. I want to pass these, but got to make sure that this thing still works. And so we're testing now, and we'll continue to test. And maybe next week we'll trade some of the funded accounts. We can just kind of watch how it goes. But I don't want to dump in another $1.50 or however much it is to activate these accounts on a strategy that I think is okay, that isn't great, if that makes sense. Because you can always activate these. You can always activate these funded accounts. These prop firms always want your money. So you don't have to do it right away. So I like to just be patient, pass them, and if I like what I'm seeing, then great. If I don't, then well, we got work to do. Long? Really? I'll take it. I just want to see what happens here. Wow. About 100 bucks there. 85 bucks. Okay, cool. Some profit. Not bad, but not great. All right, we should just chill for just a moment. We're kind of in this chop here. Yeah, so the way I think about it is kind of the way that I do just about anything is I'm okay like applying money to certain things just to, see what's going on. And I think it's gonna be a short. I'm okay like using some test money for things, but I don't really go all in until I have like evidence that what I'm doing is actually going to be like fruitful, that it's actually going to work. I've been itching the hell out of that. And so I like to just be real patient. Real patient. Because once you get it right, then like you shouldn't have to go backwards. But you never want to invest a ton up front and then realize, holy cow, I made a mistake. And now I have all this money that I've basically just given away. And now I have to come up with new money to do the same thing I've been doing. You don't want to do that. Because to tell you the truth, like developing these things is very expensive, like very costly. And so I'd rather do it. Let's see what we have here. Flat, nothing. Okay. I'd rather just do it, the right way the first time than not. Okay, there goes price. Nice. Astro Media. That's my website, my friend. Kyle, that's a great question. It's not so much that it wouldn't work live. It's that, let me go click this here. It's that we just have to make sure like eval after eval after eval. Like this week is a holy shit. This week is a fantastic week. Is you guys have seen kind of like both sides. You've seen Monday was choppy, so we lost money. We saw yesterday was choppy, we lost money. And both of those days actually improved my overall P&L from Monday to Thursday. Wednesday and Tuesday and Wednesday were really good, and then today in theory would be really good as well. Let's see. Sell, and I fucked it up. My bad. This is on me. That nice little loss is on me. Down 174. Oh. Damn it. Wait, I knew better than to do that. Well, damn. Talk about chop. Kyle, but it is a great question. Something you were willing to share. Astro, when it's ready, my friend. Did you make your own website with ChatGPT data integrated? Astro Media, kinda, my friend. Kind of, but not totally. So everything that happens for ChatGPT is happening behind the scenes, and then what the result is plotted on the website, if that makes sense. And am I willing to share it right now? No. But in the future, yeah, it will be ready. It's password protected anyway, so I could share it, but we got to get into it. All right. Long? All right, we'll wait. Interesting. So kind of the same game as yesterday. We have price basically like clumping together and being annoying, and then I'll change the colors of these. And then like waiting, and then it makes a move, and then we take a trade. So like lump together, move, nice, bunch of trades, great. And then kind of same thing here in a way, like this nice lumping together. It's pretty loose, but like annoying. And then we do get a little bit of price discovery up here, like this little range right there, but then nothing. And then this was great. We weren't around for that. This is awesome. And then annoying, awesome, and then reversal. And so we just haven't had like, this is ideal price action. This right here, like just kind of like moving down, we're going down. A couple pullbacks here and there, but for the most part, like this is what I want to see. Not any of the nonsense that we got going on right now. This is annoying as shit. So now I know the afternoon could open up for us for sure. For sure. So we'll chill out. We just don't want to work anymore, huh? Okay. All right. Good. Yeah, the consistency rule does help. I think not blow up accounts. Well, this is nice. That's really nice. But like, so what the fuck is going on here? Like, what is this? Like, what is going on? This is ridiculous. The message, my friend, I hate to be, I hate to be the one that had to break that to you, but yeah, commissions on micros, I mean, they are fierce. And like, I don't know, micros are traded with less volume. And so, like, it makes some sense that they would charge a little more, but man, they will tax you for sure. This is the same trade I'm going to lose again. The same, let's see. Entry was horrendous. That's on me. Down 360 in this account. Shit. Um, this I fell for the same thing twice, which is this breakout reverse. I fell for it again. It gets me every time. Be better about that. Be better about that. All right. What is my ATR sitting at? 20? That makes sense. This has been the lowest ATR we've seen in a long time. So we're like kind of coming down, right? Like we're kind of making these new lows. It just is body blow after body blows. No real chance for us to jump into these trades because they just fly. And then the next candle is a reversal. And so let's see what we get here. Yeah, micros are super expensive. It's kind of annoying how expensive they actually are. But so you have so try to trade light, and then yeah, yeah. Yeah, because the minis move like an insane amount. I mean, that's why. Like, you can, all of my break even trades on minis are like plus $10, plus 15, $20. It's not plus $5, but minus $12 in commissions. Yeah, it's just minis. Minis are built for like large accounts that I can hold a couple $1,000s of loss and still be in the trade. Like, that's what minis are really for. It's pretty tough to use minis in prop firms unless you're super accurate. But that's why you guys see me trading with a super tight stop. Um, Sell signal here? No thanks. That's one of the only ways you can really do it. But yeah, minis are no fun. Let's see. Okay. Good thing we didn't go short there. Bad signal. I don't know why my buttons aren't working anymore. It's fine. Okay, we're in a short here, but I'm not seeing if, yeah. We're on 477. I want the battle back on this account. It's trading the chop. We'll be patient. Why would you give me a short there? That's kind of weird. Okay, long. We're above our breakout, so that's nice. Let's see. And we pull back. Price is really fighting. So we have this 19,600 level. Price loves an even number. We know that. And we're trying to do some price discovery up here. Um, See where we can take things. Let's swap out to the 15-minute chart. We haven't been here in a minute, but this has been the top of a few different places. So if we break this, we have a chance to maybe test somewhere in here at that 680 level, so about 40 points out. Okay. So that's there. We're okay. We're trying. We're trying. Okay. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. New signal coming here. Small. Small, it didn't need to be. Damn it. I don't know why my buttons aren't working. Is a key with many, and you're right, One Eye. You are correct. That is correct. In and out. In and out. Unless you have a massive account, then you can go. Like if you had a real $50,000 account, then you could hold for a little while if you want to. You get a true 50K account. Like a true 50K account, you could damn near buy 40 contracts, and you might blow up your margin. But you could do it. You could do it. All right, we're making some new highs though, that's for sure. Let's see what ChatGPT thinks. Short, short. Yeah, okay. See if you're right here. Okay. Made some money there, not a lot, but that's a bad signal. Hmm. Hell of a signal to go long, I'll tell you that. Okay. Dang. All right, about $100 on that one. Tough to follow that, man. Getting our butts kicked in this one too. We were down the previous one, not a big deal, but man, tough. Yeah, I think the ATR is super. It's either low or I don't know what it is, but man, we're not getting a whole lot of movement here. Huh. All right, signals are coming in with good speed though. That's a much better short than long signal for sure. The price is moving so fast right now that it's like, man, we can't get anything going. Long and neutral? I'll wait. Hmm. New signal here, short. Take that one. Okay. Let's see if price can get back down to its open. If it can, we have ourselves a nice little push. If not, we'll take a $100 loss here. 140. We're down 680 in this account, 690 in this account. I think we were almost right. We're getting chopped here. Getting our ass chopped up. Huh. Okay. Markets look great today. Why is DocuSign up so much? Anybody have an idea on that? What's going on with DocuSign? Okay. So we have price falling a little bit, which is good. Let's see if we can get this thing to maybe hold and start to move in our favor, as in going down, so we can start to get a new set of trades here. Let's see what we get. JStores. Yeah, DocuSign is interesting. I don't know. I don't even know at this point what they could do to like boost sales. I mean, everybody can make their product. It's pretty easy. I guess they just have like that name recognition, but sell? Oh, my entry was ass. There we go. Finally. Okay, small victory there, but nonetheless a victory. Man, I did not think I'd have to have price pull back that much. Like this is tough when price. So this, let's say this candle breaks this low over here, which is like right there. That's crazy. That is craziness. Um, man, I didn't think we'd have to get price to move that much to get that much. Always going to be tough when that's the case. When you have price that moves so fast, or it moves up or down in a certain amount of time, and then it moves back in the opposite direction and then continues moving. That's just going to be hard to deal with. So sell right there, stop, and see if we can. Oh my gosh, that thing ran so fast. Bad signal. Dang, that was a tough one. I'm not even sure it was. Actually, I'm not even sure if it was a bad signal. It just pulled up so quick. I guess it was only 7 points, but shit. All right. Yeah, this is really nothing going on right now. Good night. So the past 2 mornings we've had price basically yeah, JSTORs makes sense. Past 2 days we've had the morning be really choppy and the afternoon be nice and flowy. But now it's kind of been recently it's been the opposite though. Usually the morning's been pretty flowy, and the afternoon's a little more choppy, but we'll have to just deal with what we can. Okay, kind of got both here. Charles, what's going on, my friend? It's going good. How are you doing? Okay. All right. New signal here. Assuming a flat means long. Let's see. Neutral means long. Nothing. Down 730 in this account. Nothing. Oh, give it a little more space, we'd have a nice little trade there. If we had maybe like some more, if I can get this account to go in the direction I need to go in, um, I'd probably go about 2 contracts here. And the reason for it is we have a very little movement, but I only have $300 here that I can spare, so I can't go crazy. I can't go crazy. Let's see. New signal here in about 5 seconds. Just depends, Charles. Just depends. Depends on the ATR. Let's see. Short? No way. I'm not taking that. If it gets to even, I'll take it. How about that? You know. Yeah, Charles. So it depends on the ATR. If the ATR is higher, then my stops are going to be higher. They have to be. But what I trade will just be lower. I'll just trade micros. ATR is lower. I'll have maybe a tighter stop, but I'll leverage more because price isn't going to move as much. So it's a kind of a seesaw. You have to It's a give and take. If price is moving fast, then you need to risk less, and you need to size down. If price isn't moving as much, you can size up and and then make your stop a little less tight, or a little less loose, more tight. Let's see, 35. Have a short here. 34. Have a short and a long. We'll wait. Kind of like a long here though. Okay. Your signal. Hello. Waiting, waiting, waiting. If it's a short, this would be great. But if it's a long, we don't. This is gonna be one of those that just comes super late. That sucks. I gotta refresh the website. Hold on here, 1 second. We'll have to watch on TradingView for now. My site is down currently. That's annoying. I made just a quick update to get it to so that it only gave me long and short, and well, it's crashed my website. We ready now? Okay, I think we're good. 1 second. Make the face bigger. Make this all look nice and pretty. 1 second. Be right back. There we go. Yeah. Do like that. Almost. Oh, it's almost loaded. Network error. Please try again. What the fuck? Sorry, guys. I thought we had this fixed. Do like this. Technical issue. We should be back live in a moment. So weird. All right, we'll hang out for just a moment until it gets fixed. Sorry. Till it gets fixed. I think it is fixed. There we go. Thank you for not being a ding dong anymore. Oops. All right, we're back. 1 second. Let's get it all squared away now. Just to the website. And we are almost there. Sorry. We're back, baby. All right, there we go. No more neutrals, only long and short. I think I'm long right there. Fuck it. There we go. It's more normal price action. What? Nice. Good. Good signal there. All right. Good signal here. What in the world? we go. Okay, good. All right, we are officially good. Why are you like this? Long here. Ooh. What? Damn, we're not 850 in this account. We gotta tighten it up. Good God. I'd make an update though. Okay. All right. There's an obvious update I want to make here, and we're gonna get that done. Short here. Okay, we need price to move a little bit to hopefully get some funds back in our account. Get back where we need to be. Damn. All right. All right. I think the update's obvious that I need to make here. I think our signals trade evade, open and close the trade. What are the maybe just Google it. Just Google it. It's like $1.20 or something like that. But you can find it on Google, I think. Let's see here. Makes sense. Just aim for 1 or 2. Yeah. All right. Well, maybe we'll take another trade here. I've got an obvious update I need to make with this script. I added some information that I think is pretty good, but I think I added too much, and so it's delaying all of my signals. I think they're just like a step behind where they need to be, um, and so I want to get that corrected here. I want to get that fixed. Won't take a long here though. See if we can get price to move a little higher. Whoops. And the ATR is super low, so this could be our last trade here. All right, we're out. Okay, back to almost even on this account. All right, so kind of annoying. And second half of the day, not super excited. Price got a little choppy, but we had I think a decent trend. Let me go here and then just go here. And so I think the updates that I made maybe made ChatGPT a little confused as to the effectiveness it had. So I think it was better yesterday, but the market was trash. I think today was pretty solid too, but we had a lot more movement, so that helped our cause. So I'm gonna make an update to this thing, and all I need to do is just remove a couple things, and I think it should allow us to have some nice signals again. So we'll be back on Monday. Hopefully we'll have some training that'll happen on a new model that won't be ChatGPT. That'll be its own thing. and then we can start to really turn on machine learning for that. So super excited about that. Papa Dave, nope, no Discord, my friend, just YouTube and then Instagram as well. You can find me there. But I'll keep you guys updated. So solid day today. Good start. Good start to the day. Second half was a little shitty, but that's all right. I think moving forward, we'll have a few things that I think can really improve this, and then hopefully we'll start really implementing that machine learning so we can actually get like real AI, real like intelligence inside of this thing instead of just having ChatGPT, which is great. It's good. You guys seem to make a decent amount of money this week, but like we want to certainly improve. So anyway, that will be all for today. A little shorter of a live today. Mark and I give me exactly what I need, and I have some updates I need to obviously make. So we'll keep it rolling. But I appreciate you guys. Have a great weekend. Stay safe. Don't overtrade today. Today can be a little tricky. And I will. I'll see you on Monday, and we'll get it rolling. Peace. I'll turn off my live stream, I guess. Peace.